Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicory powder coffee. Measure 2 tablespoons of roasted chicory powder and 1 tablespoon of ground coffee per cup. Start by boiling fresh water and warming your French press or pot. Bloom the grounds with a splash of water for 30 seconds to release flavor, then pour remaining water and steep 3 to 4 minutes. I'll walk you through brew methods, ratios, and tasting tips. Measure ingredients precisely and preheat your brewing gear so temperatures stay consistent from start to finish. Toasting chicory brings out caramel notes, so watch it carefully and stop when fragrant. Combine chicory and coffee in your preferred ratio and bloom with a small amount of water to release aromas. Complete the brew with steady pour or press technique and taste, adjusting next time for strength and bitterness. Chicory coffee pairs beautifully with dairy or plant milk to mellow bitterness and add body. Sweeteners like brown sugar or condensed milk give a Southern Cafe au lait touch if you prefer a sweeter cup. Experiment with spices such as cinnamon or a small pinch of nutmeg to add aroma. I'll suggest tasting adjustments and storage tips so your chicory powder stays fresh and your cups stay consistent and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.